Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on! All right, let's try. 1, 2...
Right there, in the hood, right there.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics.
What do you mean, junk? I worked so hard to gather this stuff.
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Need tires? Stop by Luigi's Casa delle Tires, home of the Leaning Tower of Tires.
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing... I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry, I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Fight me! Welcome to the chicken, baby!
Piston Cup.
¡Hay que ir recto! ¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
We're fire headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you. Mac, I can't believe you're here.
Little bit of train.
Be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night long.
Tag, here is.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
Looks like we got some work to do.
Is Bessie, finest road paving machine ever built. I'm hereby sentencing you to community.
¡Qué gran escape!
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll be able to bounce around, scrubbing all the mud off the station.
Absolutely. Favorite thing.
Don't worry, Mama! sides. I was beat.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that's...
That Francesco is wonderful.
And those open wheels.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Are we to care for those travelers if there is no road for them to drive on? Luigi, what?
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
After microscopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an...
Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man! Now I've got dirt in my...
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt. And just like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Who was that? Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.